a lot of people say the back seats, and yeah, these are sort of on a rail, so the whole bench moves forward. Obviously these two, this seat and the middle seat, move as one, and the last seat moves as one. So sometimes it sounds like a metal sort of kind of sound. So some people say it's the bench or the rails that are cladded together. Other people say it's, you've got to check the fixtures and fittings like this all around your car. Check, you know, just go through the car, just give it a little tap, and then you start to see if you can replicate that sound. It's going to take a little while, but process of elimination. Common things are the seat rail, where the seat's kind of right under there. It's all one kind of rail. The seat belt sort of hooks up here. You can take this piece of trim out, and you can kind of test the sound to see if it's that kind of sound. It just clips off. It's really easy to do. Another one could be the glove box. A lot of people complain about there being some rattling or loose noise in the glove box. So again, you've just got to go around the car, tapping the areas to find out where it could be. And the sort of armrest or the center console, sometimes that can make a bit of a rattling noise as well. Or if you've got change in here, that could also make the rattling noise. So it is quite hard to find out exactly where it's coming from, but the best thing you can do is get a friend, get them to sit in the car while you're driving, and they could pinpoint where the noise is coming from. Now, after a week or so, I finally managed to get a family member to just basically sit in the car whilst I'm driving, just to hear where the noise is coming from. Now, in the trunk or the boot trim, you've got this panel up here, and in this panel, okay, there is some kind of tow rope. I think that's what it is, or no, sorry, some kind of hazard warning triangle that you can put out if you have an accident. Now that's secured on by these Velcro straps. So let me just take this off so you can see. Okay, so undo it. You'll see up here, get the camera to focus just there. You can see a little torque screw. You've got one the other side just there as well. What these do is, these control, or sorry, these are basically what holds these Velcro straps in place, and when they're loose, you'll find that this triangle begins to knock against this part of the car, and you start to get that rattling noise that I was referring to. So what I've done is I've retightened the screws, and I don't think these screws are made very well, because I think as it vibrates they become loose again. So I put a microfiber towel up there as well, and I'm also going to stick a bit of cable tie on there, and yeah, that should solve the issue.